Gaming monitors are always one step ahead compared to traditional monitors as they're capable of delivering top-notch visuals with higher refresh rates. And if you like playing modern games, then owning a gaming monitor can play a huge role in terms of graphical enhancement. So, in order to help you find the right one, here are our top 5 picks for you.
Welcome to Techfluencer, where we test and review countless tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our tech expert team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends and advancements. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description.
Let's start with the Gigabyte G2 4F, the best affordable gaming monitor that's currently available on the market. This 24-inch gaming monitor has the most simple yet clean aesthetic, and it's currently one of the best-selling budget gaming monitors you'll find on the market. Besides that, the monitor also features 1080p resolution, including 165Hz of refresh rate and 1 millisecond of response time, which is perfect for playing competitive games. Not only that, but you'll also be able to overclock the monitor up to 170Hz, which is truly incredible. So we can clearly say that 1080p gaming in this price range cannot get much better than this. On top of that, this monitor also includes a few gaming features such as OSD Sidekick, customizable crosshair, monitoring dashboard, and black equalizer, which will definitely improve your gaming experience. As for the connectivity, you'll find all the necessary ports such as the DisplayPort 1.2 and 2 HDMI 2.0, including an audio combo jack and 2 USB 3.0 ports. For a budget-friendly gaming monitor, this one is definitely worth the value of your money. Now that we've seen the best budget category, let's take a look at some of the best top-end gaming monitors. Check out the ROG Swift PG27AQN. It's a stylish-looking 27-inch gaming monitor with a pretty cool aesthetic. It's got 1440p resolution and 360Hz of refresh rate, featuring a super fast IPS panel and G-Sync technology. So gaming on this monitor will be superior as it always ensures a smooth and tear-free visual output. On top of that, it's a Display HDR 600 certified monitor, so the color details are absolutely fantastic. And thanks to its beautiful ergonomic build quality, users can play games at their comfort level by simply adjusting height, swivel, pivot, and tilt as their wish. Additionally, this monitor also features eSports Dual Mode, which most competitive gamers will find to be very helpful. Besides that, the monitor has a pretty decent amount of ports, 3 HDMI 2.0, 1 DisplayPort 1.4, including 2 USB 3.2 type and 1 Type A port. And to improve your gameplay experience, it's packed with all the necessary features such as a built-in FPS counter, display management, and low blue light technology. So if you're looking for a modern 1440p gaming monitor, then this is indeed a great option. Okay, so you've seen flat and curved gaming monitors, but have you seen this one with a flexible screen? Then check out the Corsair Xeneon Flex. It's a stunning 45-inch gaming monitor with a spectacular 1440p display resolution and 240Hz of refresh rate. But what makes this monitor exceptional is the super flexible display, which you can bend from both left and right sides. On top of that, the entire display is built using LG's OLED technology, including 1000 nits of peak brightness. So no matter if you're using this monitor for gaming or editing, the viewing experience will always be top-notch, as it also ensures a 100% sRGB color gamut. And to make it even more convenient, Corsair has attached all the necessary ports on the stand. At the front, it has 2 USB 3.2 ports and 1 3.5mm audio output. On the back, you'll find 2 HDMI 2.1, a DisplayPort 1.4, along with 2 Type-C and USB 3.2 connection. For those who are looking for a top-tier flexible gaming monitor, for them this is undoubtedly an excellent purchase. Are you looking for a perfect gaming monitor to game on higher resolutions? Then take a look at the Odyssey Neo G8 from Samsung. It's a sleek-looking 32-inch gaming monitor with an outstanding RGB LED gradient at the back and an impressive 4K resolution display. Not only that, the entire monitor comes in a 1000R screen curvature shape, which will definitely give you an immersive gameplay experience. On the other hand, the monitor also allows you to increase the aspect ratio up to 21:9, which will give you an even broader viewing angle by revealing the hidden areas in the game. Additionally, the monitor is also equipped with FreeSync technology, so screen tearing is not something that you should be worried about. So if you want a higher resolution gaming experience on a curved gaming monitor, then you should definitely check out the Odyssey Neo G8 from Samsung. For our last monitor on the list, we got the LG UltraGear 48GQ900, and it's one of the best looking OLED gaming monitors that you'll find on the market right now. Surprisingly enough, this monitor is super thin, and it comes with a 4K resolution OLED panel as well, which looks absolutely breathtaking. On top of that, the screen has anti-glare protection, so even when the monitor is surrounded by bright lights, it's less likely to reflect on your eyes. Also, thanks to the 0.1 millisecond response time and 120Hz of refresh rate, any game you play will definitely please your eyes. And for an even better viewing experience, it supports both FreeSync and G-Sync technology. So no need to worry about any screen tearing issues because everything will look crystal clear and smooth just as it should be. As for the connectivity, it has DisplayPort 1.4, HDMI 2.1 port including an audio jack, and 2 USB 3.0 connections which you can hook up with any console or PC setup. And you'll also find a remote out of the box which can come in handy for instant software controls. For a super vibrant viewing experience, this one is highly recommended. So that was all about the 5 best gaming monitor recommendations. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.